Usually, a bowl of instant ramen is around 400 calories. Not too bad, but definitely not much in exchange for what you are getting nutritionally and volume-wise. But noodles are super fun to eat. Is there a way to cut down the empty calories in instant ramen? Well, how about this? This is Konjac, also known as devil's tongue, voodoo lily, and a few other names. It's a plant grown in East and Southeast Asia, and its corm has been used as medicinal food in Japan since the 6th century. It's super versatile. Konjac flour, jelly, and noodles are all popular ingredients in Japanese and South Korean cuisine. Konjac noodles are called shirataki and are almost 100% water, making their calorie content super low, around 7 calories per 100 grams. In this pack of shirataki noodles, there are 30 calories. Now that the noodles are sorted, we have 70 calories to play around with for flavor. I'm going to make a mushroom broth by blending up a variety of dried mushrooms into a fine powder. You can buy mushroom powder already made, and it's a great way to add flavor to your cooking. I will put a link in the description. Or you can make your own by drying fresh mushrooms for around 10 days and blending them. To the mushroom powder, I'm adding different seasonings: garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt. You can add whatever you like. I'm bringing this mixture to a boil in about a cup and a half of water. I'm adding the konjac noodles after they have been rinsed very well. They come fully cooked in the pack, so you're just warming them up. To garnish, just go with your preferences. I went with spinach, spring onion, quail eggs because they're cuter, nori, and soy sauce, bringing the total calories to 100 for this serving. Konjac is surprisingly filling, and it has been linked to many health benefits such as improved digestion, immunity, blood pressure, and metabolism due to its high glucomannan content. I'll put a link in the description to the study on Konjac's health benefits if you're interested. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy.